こんにちは、愛です。Hello, my name is Ai. I'm a Japanese mom who lives in Southern California with my two girls and my partner. In this video, I'm gonna introduce Japanese home cooking. Keywords are easy, simple, yummy, and Japanese. B 級グルメ B 級グルメ B 級グルメ means casual, inexpensive, local food or soul food. So the opposite of B 級グルメ B class B ゴメ opposite is A 級グルメ A 級グルメ is a fancy, expensive, mainstream food. So today I'm gonna introduce my favorite B 級グルメ Gurume means gourmet. So soul food of Kobe, 兵庫 prefecture, Kobe's soul food. It's a Sobameshi. Sobameshi is a mixture of hybrid or mixture of soba, yakisoba, and fried rice. It is said that a long time ago at Kobe's local diner, regular customer came and then requested a special menu. That was Sobameshi. So they asked to mix fried rice and yakisoba together in one dish. And then it became so popular. And nowadays, you see the restaurant who serve Sobameshi in Kobe everywhere in Kobe. So it became a soul food of Kobe. And when you make a real Sobameshi, you use the sauce called doro sauce. Doro is mud, so muddy sauce. And it's thicker, like a mud, thicker than okonomiyaki sauce or tonkatsu sauce. And it's a little bit spicy, but you can be creative. We can create something like that. And typical ingredients of Sobameshi is cabbage and sliced pork. But it's your choice. You can add any vegetable or any meat. Important point is before you mixing or stir fry, cut the soba or noodle into like maybe 1 inch length, small, so that you can cook quickly. So let's see how to prepare Kobe's soul food, Sobameshi. To make Sobameshi for 2 serving, you need 1 package of yakisoba noodle, 1 bowl of rice. It's better to use the cold cooked rice, and 1/4 pound of ground pork or thinly sliced pork, and 1/8 of cabbage sliced, half carrot julienne, peeled and julienned, 1/8 of onion, peeled and sliced, and some chopped green onion. But vegetables, it's your choice. You can choose anything you like. And 1 table sake. For sauce, 1 table sake, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of okonomiyaki sauce or tonkatsu sauce. And for the topping, this is optional, but I'm gonna make 1 fried egg, and you need some mayonnaise. Let's prepare sauce in advance. 1 tablespoon of 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of okonomiyaki sauce mixed together in advance. And we're gonna cut yakisoba noodle into 1 inch squares. The purpose is so that when you stir fry, it's easy to mix and then wash and drain. So purpose is to separate each noodle, again for quick cooking. Wash and drain. And over the medium-high heat the frying pan and add some cooking oil, and we're gonna saute meat first. saute until the color of the meat changes and it gets separate. Add vegetables. So today I chose onion, carrot, and then cabbage. Again, you can add any vegetable you like, but typically for soba meshi we use the cabbage. Cabbage is must. And saute until cabbage gets nice and soft. Add some salt and pepper. Add noodle. And add some rice. And I recommend you to use the not fresh or hot rice. It's better to use cold rice. It's easier to cook, just like making fried rice. And try to separate each rice. No chunks. Separate each rice and mix. Saute very well. And add sauce. And sauce, you can buy doro sauce or special sauce for soba meshi at Japanese grocery store too. But usually it's hard to get, so you can make your own at home. And if you need a spice, you can add some hot chili sauce or sriracha or Tabasco, and add green onion at the end, and soba meshi is ready to serve. And this is optional, but I made the omelette with one egg, just the egg and salt, and then make a kind of omelette fried egg. And again, this is optional, but I like this way. And on this video, my egg, it doesn't look good, but it's okay. You make your own nice egg. And we're gonna decorate. So place soba meshi on a plate. And this is good as it is. But I like putting the fried egg or little omelette, small omelette over rice, and add some more okonomiyaki sauce, and then add some mayonnaise. We love mayonnaise, Japanese mayonnaise. And then finish with the roasted seaweed. But if you have a aonori or red ginger, pickled ginger, that would be beautiful too. And soba meshi is ready to serve. This is so good. Kobe series BQ グルメ